Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to disable Instagram account. So to temporarily disable your Instagram account, so open Instagram and log into your Instagram account, then click your profile in the bottom right corner, then click the three-line menu in the top right, so click on that. Then from here, select Account Center at the top. So under your account, select Account Center. So from here, you have a lot of choices. What you can do is to scroll down and select Manage Accounts. So select the account that you want to disable, then click on Manage. Then from here, choose deactivation or deletion. Then choose the activate account. You can also delete it, but for this video, we're gonna deactivate this account. So click deactivate and click continue. So you will lose access to the following info, for example, your followers, your posts, your stories, your reels, etc. Once you're okay with that, click continue. So confirm your password and click continue. Then choose a reason why you want to deactivate your account. You can only choose one and click continue. Then click continue again and click deactivate account. So it says here you're about to temporarily deactivate your account. You can reactivate your account at any time by going to Account Center and by logging into your Instagram account. So when your account is deactivated, your profile, photos, comments, and likes are hidden, and you can reactivate it anytime by logging back in. If you want to permanently delete your account instead, choose delete account in the same menu and just follow the following prompts. And that's basically it. Account. Thank you for watching.